Welcome students in the chemistry class, and today we will discuss about the p block elements part 1, in which we will study about the nitrogen family and general trend in their physical properties. First of all, occurrence. Nitrogen makes up 0.002% of the earth crust and constitutes 78% of atmospheric volume. In the earth crust, it occurs as sodium nitrate, as saltpeter, potassium nitrate as saltpeter, Indian saltpeter. It is found in the form of protein in plants and animals. Phosphorus occurs mainly in minerals as apatite family like fluorapatite and same other members. Phosphorus is an essential constituent of animals in bones and plant members, and phosphorus is as phosphoprotein is present in the milk and eggs. Arsenic, antimony, and bismuth are found mainly as the sulfide minerals. Members of the nitrogen family. So nitrogen family belongs to 15 group in the periodic table, and members of this family are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So these are represented as their symbols: nitrogen Np, As, Sb, Bi, and moscovium. Moscovium is radioactive element and man-made, and it is synthesized. Atomic numbers are also given. Out of these, nitrogen, phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic is semiconductor, semi-metals, that is metalloid. Antimony also metalloid, but bismuth and moscovium are metals. Electronic configuration. These are having the general electronic configuration NS2, NP3, and so kept in same group. So there are periodic trains in their properties. Number 1, atomic radius. These have a smaller radius size than carbon family, and region is similar because left to right increasing nuclear charge and number of electrons in the same orbits are also increasing. So nuclear attraction increases and size decreases. Atomic radius down the group decreases. As reason, it is due to the presence of electrons in f orbitals, which provide poor shielding effect. It is lanthanoid contraction. Ionization energy. It is the amount of energy required to release one electron from the outermost orbit of the gaseous atom, and the ionization energy of these elements is quite high. It is due to their stable configuration, that is half-filled Np3 in p orbitals, and down the group it decreases. Electronegativity of nitrogen family is more than carbon family, again due to small size and increasing nuclear charge left to right. Electron affinity is the tendency of an atom to accept one electron. It may also be defined as the amount of energy released when one electron is added to outermost orbit of the gaseous atom. So electron affinity decreases down the group due to increase in atomic radius. Next is the metallic character. Quality to act as metal. Metallic character down the group increases. Nitrogen, phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic, antimony are metalloids. These act as metals as well as non-metals depending upon the conditions. And bismuth is a metal, typical metal. Moscovium is the radioactive element, and it is also metallic in nature. And this change in metallic character is due to decrease in ionization energy and increase in the atomic size down the group. So metallic character tendency to lose electron increases to form cations. Ionization energy, metallic character, these are typical. Nitrogen and phosphorus are typical non-metal. Next point is the boiling point. Trend in the boiling point, and in general boiling point increases top to bottom in the group, but the melting point also increases up to arsenic, and then it decreases up to bismuth, but no exact reason is given for it. Melting point increases down the group. Physical state. Now we'll compare the physical states. All the elements of this group are polyatomic except nitrogen, which is diatomic. and it is due to presence of triple bond in nitrogen atoms, which are very strong, so it cannot combine with other nitrogen atoms, more atoms, and it is diatomic in nature. One point also is there, nitrogen is gas, but other are the solids. And reason for that is nitrogen has a strong triple bond between two nitrogen atoms, so these exist as discrete molecule without intermolecular forces of attractions, and so it is gas. Other elements, due to their large size, form single bond and exist as polyatomic molecules. Density increases down the group, again due to increased nuclear mass. Nitrogen. Next point is nitrogen is inert, but other elements of the group are reactive. And nitrogen is mainly used in the for filling gases in the wafers, in bulbs, and it is due to their inert nature, and it is due to triple bond present in those two nitrogen atoms with high bond energy. जो स्ट्रॉन्ग नाइट्रोजन बॉन्ड है ट्रिपल बॉन्ड उनकी हाई एनर्जी के कारण वो इनर्ट नेचर में है. लेकिन दूसरे मेंबर्स जो होते हैं बाकी मेंबर्स हैं दीज हैं वीक सिंगल बॉन्ड्स एंड सो दीज आर रिएक्टिव. नाइट्रोजन इज यूज्ड इन रेफ्रिजरेंट्स, metal treatment and pressurized gases. Nitrogen is gas, but so we have to remember these three main questions. Nitrogen is gas, but phosphorus is solid. Nitrogen is diatomic, but phosphorus is tetratomic. And nitrogen is gas, but phosphorus is solid. So this question is again repeated. No matter. Allotropy. Existence of an element in more than one form. जिनकी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी डिफरेंट हो लेकिन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी सेम हो. नाइट्रोजन के कोई एलोट्रॉप्स नहीं है, जबकि बाकी मेंबर्स के एलोट्रॉप्स हैं. फास्फोरस के 3 एलोट्रॉप्स हैं, व्हाइट, रेड एंड ब्लैक, एंड देयर रिएक्टिविटी इज व्हाइट इज मोस्ट रिएक्टिव, ब्लैक इज लीस्ट रिएक्टिव. So due to general train in properties, all these elements are placed together in the same group, and that is about the physical properties and train in the periodic table. So these are kept in same group. Thank you.